combined with these two videos to show you guys my kombucha kit because I'm going to be making a salad right after this, but I wanted to show you guys this kombucha kit I got. I actually used this kit to make my kombucha for my videos. I've made at least 4 or 5 gallons of kombucha since receiving this kit. I wind up buying 2 more gallon jars. So this kit is like gold. It comes with everything you need. It's step-by-step instructions on how to make your kombucha. It comes with the exact amount of organic sugar with the gram amount. It comes with your starter tea and your SCOBY, your baby SCOBY, to start your brewing. It also comes with the tea, organic tea blend, and you get a little discount coupon situation. You get a little tea bag to put your tea in, which I love. You also get this thermometer strip that goes on the side of your jar, and of course you get the gallon jar, which is amazing. This is literally my favorite kit. I'll list where I got everything or where I got the kit down below, and I'll also list some of my kombucha videos because I love making kombucha. So I'm going to move on into making my salad.
Hi guys, so I thought I'd come on camera because I'm not really on camera, and this is one of my new favorite kale salads. I love this salad. It is so good. It's based off of a concept of a salad I used to buy at the store I work at, and it's super good, super simple to make, and it's inexpensive. It's supposed to be paired with lemon poppy seed dressing. I'm gonna make a hemp dressing, a hemp lime dressing instead of poppy seeds, replacing the poppy seeds with hemp and replacing the lemon with lime. And I'm so excited. That'll be next video. So let's get into the recipe. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Leave comments down below on suggestions because sometimes I don't know what to upload, but let's go make this salad. No, let's go do that.
For the salad, you're going to need some kale. I'm using curled kale, red cabbage, and carrots. You're also going to need some hemp seeds, dry craisins, or cranberries, your salad dressing of choice, and pumpkin seeds. And we're just going to add everything together. So starting off, we're just going to chop up our cabbage. You're also going to shred your carrots, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. I also just roughly chopped up my kale, and I tossed it in with all the seeds in the dressing, and I ate that together. As you see throughout this video, it will cut off while I'm shredding the carrots. That's why I'm kind of giving you guys a rundown. But you want to cut your cabbage nice and thin. It makes it so it's easily digestible, but it's also easier to chew. You don't want big ass pieces of your cabbage in the thing. You want it to be nice and thin, like so. We're not going to cut all the cabbage. So we're going to cut it this way, and then we're going to cut it on the horizontal, so vertically and horizontally, to make little shred pieces. You don't want big pieces of cabbage. This is all about eating the rainbow, so including green, purple, we have red or like a darker red, dry red from our dried cherries, and then we also have the orange from the carrots, and then we have the green from the kale, and the guava has the pink in it. So you want to make sure when you're eating anything, well, especially me, to always eat the rainbow. So I'm just gonna finish cutting up all of this. Again, I did not, the video kind of got cut off because I ran out of space on my card, but literally that's all you're doing. You're gonna put all these ingredients inside of a bowl. I made this for one of my clients, and at the end I will show you what it looks like. But you're gonna cut up your cabbage because cabbage is good. It actually tastes super good in this guava balsamic dressing. I will leave where I got it from. I got it from one of those fancy dancy stores. It wasn't super expensive, but it was yum. And then you're just going to shred your carrot like you would, and then put everything in a bowl. And that's all she wrote, folks. I know you guys were expecting to see a full video. I'm sad. I was sad when I came across it. I was like, how dare you, like, cut me off like that? Because I was ready to give y'all the works and show y'all how to chop up y'all kale. But definitely use all these ingredients in this video. I'm going to add a little bit more into this video. But yeah, you're just gonna shred your carrots up. This is a perfect salad for spring and summertime. You know, it's very, it's tasty, it's sweet, it's tangy, it's filling, it's refreshing. I love this salad. Do have more kale salad recipes, and I'll tag those in the video as you watch this. Um, and you can see over there that everything's kind of set up, and I was ready to do it for you. Like, I was ready. I was so ready to make a beautiful salad, and I did. But sadly, I couldn't record all of it, and I don't know what the hell I'm doing right now, but we trying to fix the camera so you can get a good angle. And then after a couple of minutes, it's going to go out because, you know, the camera doesn't like me that much. It's not my best friend. It does what it wants to do. But yeah, I'm still shredding carrots. And then you're just going to chop your goods up and put it all together, massage your kale. And then when you're done, it'll look something like this. That's my homemade dressing. So I know you guys are probably like, what the fuck is she doing? Like, she's making all these weird ass videos. So I used to love sparkling water, carbon water. And so I finally decided to buy myself one of these because not only is it saving me plastic, I can put this in my glass mason jars, I can put this in my reusable bottles. It comes with a frame, with a bottle, and also your carbon or your sizzly, the thing that make everything bubble. And that's it.